Good medical morning. This is Adam from World's Greatest Medical. Today we're going to look at the best pops and clips from our Instagram page at Greatest Medical. So first we see a rather large pimple pop with a comedone extractor tool. Next are a few facial peels. We'll put an Amazon link to our favorite facial peel in the description below. I've tried these and they do make your skin really smooth. This is a cool piece of silicone with holes drilled in it to simulate pimple popping. I'm kinda curious to see if we could mass produce this. Would you buy one if you could pop pimples at home? This man has a large epidermoid cyst on his face. It always fascinates me how many people want to comment telling the person to A, put on gloves, and B, how they have to get the sack or the whole thing is going to return. It's almost like they feel necessary to tell everyone that they know those two facts. It's kind of funny. Here you have two formerly conjoined twins. Would this make a good case study? Leave me a comment below and let me know if we should talk about it. And I'm also looking for the original source of this video clip. If anyone knows it, please tell us, because I'm curious to find out the whole story. Is this gout? What is it?
Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.